Ever dreamed of turning a tiny balcony into a stunning cozy retreat without spending a fortune? Well, today I'm going to show you how I completely transformed my balcony, using only $1 items from Dollar Tree. Yes, everything you see costs just $1. Welcome to Greenhaven Homes, where we make home makeovers stylish, simple, and budget-friendly. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new idea to elevate your space without breaking the bank. You're going to want to see this transformation from start to finish. Now you might be wondering, why focus on a balcony? Small outdoor spaces are more than just corners of your home. They're a chance to relax, unwind, and enjoy fresh air without leaving your house. In 2025, creating cozy, functional, and Instagram-worthy outdoor spaces is one of the biggest trends, and the good news is, you don't need a huge budget to do it. By using affordable items creatively, like Dollar Tree finds, you can turn even the tiniest balcony into a space that feels welcoming, stylish, and completely your own. And today I'm going to walk you through 10 amazing ideas that are budget-friendly, easy to do, and will completely elevate your balcony. Idea number 1. Dollar Tree planters and mini greenery. Let's start with something that instantly brings life to any balcony. Plants. Dollar Tree has an amazing selection of planters, pots, and even mini faux greenery, all for just $1 each. I picked a few small pots and some artificial plants, and then added a personal touch with a little paint and some labels. You can even stack the pots or arrange them at different heights to create a dynamic look. The key here is layering. Mix textures, colors, and sizes to make the space feel lush and vibrant. Even if your balcony is tiny, a few well-placed plants can make it feel like a cozy garden retreat. And if you're short on sunlight, don't worry. Faux plants are perfect for adding greenery that lasts year-round without any maintenance. Idea number 2. Fairy lights and ambience lighting can completely transform a balcony from ordinary to magical, and the best part is, Dollar Tree has a variety of string lights, LED candles, and solar-powered options that are all just $1. I draped some warm white string lights along the railing and added a few battery-operated tea lights on my balcony table to create a soft, inviting glow. Even on a tiny balcony, layering lights at different heights makes the space feel cozy, intimate, and perfect for evening relaxation or entertaining a friend. For a little extra sparkle, I used a few solar-powered lanterns and hung some fairy lights in small glass jars for a charming, whimsical touch. You don't need expensive fixtures to make your balcony feel magical. It's all about placement and mixing light sources. With just a few simple $1 items, you can turn your balcony into a relaxing retreat that feels like a little oasis right at home. Idea number 3. Creative seating with Dollar Tree items. Every balcony needs a comfortable place to sit, and Dollar Tree makes it easy to create stylish seating without spending a fortune. I picked up a few crates and small stools, then added cushions and throws to make them soft and inviting. You can even stack crates to create a mini bench or side table, giving your balcony functional seating without cluttering the space. The key is to mix textures and colors so your seating area feels cozy and visually appealing, even in a small corner. For an extra touch, I used inexpensive pillows and blankets from Dollar Tree to make the space feel warm and welcoming. Adding layers of fabric instantly elevates the look and makes it feel more like a curated outdoor living area. With a little creativity, you can have a seating arrangement that's both practical and Instagram-worthy, all while sticking to a $1 budget. Idea number 4. Budget-friendly wall decor. Walls on a balcony are often overlooked, but they're a great way to add personality and style without taking up floor space. Dollar Tree has an array of picture frames, small wall hooks, and even artificial vines that can be transformed into unique decor pieces. I created a mini vertical garden using small frames and faux plants, and added a few hooks to hang lightweight decorations. It instantly gave my balcony character, and made it feel more like an extension of my home, rather than just an outdoor corner. Another fun idea is to make a gallery wall with affordable prints or DIY artwork from Dollar Tree items. Layering different shapes and textures, like woven baskets or small mirrors, adds depth and visual interest. Even with just a few simple, inexpensive pieces, your balcony walls can become a focal point that elevates the entire space while keeping the budget low. Idea number 5. Cozy coffee corner. Creating a small table or coffee nook can instantly make your balcony feel inviting, and Dollar Tree has everything you need to do it on a budget. I grabbed a small $1 table and some trays, then styled it with a few LED candles, a mug, and a tiny faux plant. Even a simple setup like this makes the space functional and perfect for enjoying a morning coffee or an evening tea while soaking in fresh air. To make it feel extra special, I layered items on the table, like a small basket for books or magazines, and added a few decorative touches from Dollar Tree. You don't need expensive furniture to have a charming little corner. Thoughtful styling and layering create a space that feels cozy, personal, and completely Instagram-worthy, all while sticking to a budget of just a few dollars. Idea number 6. Storage solutions and organization in the same narrator style. Should I continue? Even a small balcony can quickly feel cluttered, but Dollar Tree makes it easy to stay organized with inexpensive bins, baskets, and hooks. I used a few baskets to store gardening tools, small cushions, and other accessories, keeping everything neat and accessible. Hanging baskets and hooks also help maximize vertical space, so your balcony stays open and inviting instead of cramped. For extra functionality, I created a mini storage corner using stackable bins and small crates. This not only keeps essentials organized, but also doubles as a decorative element. With these smart storage solutions, you can have a tidy, stylish balcony where everything has its place, and all for just a few dollars. Idea number 7. Seasonal or themed decor. Adding seasonal or themed decor is a simple way to keep your balcony feeling fresh and stylish throughout the year. Dollar Tree has a variety of $1 banners, faux flowers, and small decorative items that make it easy to switch up your space for different seasons. I added a few spring flowers and a small festive banner to give my balcony a cheerful, updated look, without spending a lot. You can also mix and match items to create a cozy theme, like a boho vibe with woven textures, or a tropical feel with vibrant faux plants. Even small touches, like seasonal lanterns or decorative trinkets, can completely change the atmosphere. With just a few thoughtful additions, your balcony can feel new and exciting no matter the season. Idea number 8. DIY balcony rug and floor. Makeover floors are often overlooked, but a simple rug or floor makeover can completely change the look and feel of a balcony. Dollar Tree offers inexpensive mats, rugs, and even foam tiles that can be layered or arranged to create a cozy, inviting floor space. I used a couple of mats and layered them to add texture and color, instantly giving the balcony a more polished and comfortable feel. You can also get creative by cutting and arranging foam tiles into patterns, or using mats to define different areas, like a seating corner or plant space. Even small changes underfoot make a big impact visually, helping your balcony feel complete and welcoming, all without spending more than a few dollars. Idea number 9. Budget-friendly privacy and screening. Privacy is key when creating a cozy balcony retreat, and you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve it. Dollar Tree has lightweight screens, small curtains, and even bamboo sticks that can be used to create a stylish barrier. I combined a few of these items to block the view from neighbors, while still keeping the space airy and bright. This simple step instantly made the balcony feel more intimate and personal. Another tip is to layer privacy elements with decorative touches, like hanging faux vines or small lights along the screen. This way, your balcony feels both private and visually appealing, turning it into a relaxing hideaway. Even with a tiny budget, you can create a sense of seclusion and comfort that makes the space feel like your own little oasis. Idea number 10. Final styling touches and reveal. Now that all the big pieces are in place, it's time for the final styling touches that bring the entire balcony together. I added a few throw pillows, small decorative lanterns, and tiny trinkets from Dollar Tree to give the space personality and charm. Layering textures, colors, and lights really makes the balcony feel complete, cozy, and Instagram ready, all without spending more than a few dollars. The transformation is incredible. From an empty plain balcony to a vibrant, inviting retreat. These final touches not only enhance the aesthetic, but also make the space functional and welcoming. With a little creativity and $1 items, you can completely elevate your balcony and enjoy a stylish outdoor space that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Wow, what a transformation! From an empty, unused balcony to a cozy, stylish retreat. It's amazing what a little creativity and just $1 items from Dollar Tree can do. We covered 10 incredible ideas today, from planters and greenery to fairy lights, creative seating, wall decor, a cozy coffee corner, smart storage, seasonal touches, a DIY rug, privacy solutions, and of course those final styling touches that make the space truly feel like home. Each of these hacks is designed to be budget-friendly, simple to implement, and completely customizable to your personal style. The best part about these transformations is that they prove you don't need to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to create a balcony you love. Small changes, thoughtful layering, and a little imagination go a long way in turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Whether you have a tiny balcony in the city or a larger outdoor space, these ideas can be adapted to suit your needs and your style. If you loved seeing this transformation, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with a friend who's looking to upgrade their balcony on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe to Greenhaven Homes and turn on notifications so you never miss another budget-friendly home makeover or creative decor idea. And I want to hear from you. Which hack was your favorite? Are there any other Dollar Tree transformations you'd like to see in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback inspires these makeovers and helps us create more videos that you'll love. Remember, the magic is in the details, the layering, and the creativity. With just a few dollars and a little time, your balcony can become the perfect retreat, a space to relax, entertain, and enjoy every moment. So grab your Dollar Tree finds, get inspired, and start transforming your balcony today.